Okay, so the career that I chose to do for this career profile was a marriage and family therapist. And as I did research, the organizations are usually small because the person is self-employed, but they can be large because these therapists can also be found in hospitals and medical centers or in schools. Their typical work hours are usually weeknights and weekends to accommodate their patients and their hours, and it's usually the sessions are usually 2 to 3 nights a week, and they're about an hour long. And the family friendliness of the area is just that they're supposed to be family friendly so that they can help the family or the couple with their problems. Because it's a therapist job, there are many stressors. The biggest stressor is that you come across many difficult situations, and that because you're a therapist, you are bound by a certain guidelines that in certain circumstances you might find it difficult to uphold those guidelines, but you must. And then you also have to participate in a continuing education course yearly. The benefits of being a marriage and family therapist, though, is that you receive medical and life insurance. You get a 401k plan. You get paid vacations, and you also get to help the lives of individuals. It's a high growth field, and the work schedule is very flexible. So it's a solid career. So the average day of being a marriage and family therapist, you might diagnose someone's illness or disorder that they have. You discuss treatment plans concerning that. You obviously provide therapy to patients. And the therapy part means that you constructively help those patients resolve their problems by sharing feelings and discussing any problems that they have or any behavioral issues. Therapists do help patients with life-changing scenarios like divorce or death, and if the problem is like too much, they can use other resources to help them, and they also discuss like payment options with the insurance companies. To be a marriage and family therapist, you have to obtain a master's degree. You can enter other programs only having a bachelor's, but to be a licensed therapist, you have to have a master's in marriage and family. After obtaining that master's degree, you have to have a 2-year supervision of therapy by a licensed therapist, and then you have to pass a state board exam, and then you will be a licensed therapist. As I did research, the median salary for this job in 2012 was $48,160. And once you get experienced and you're in the higher percentiles, you can get up to $78,580 per year. And the miscellaneous career information that I found is that to be a successful therapist and to really help those that you come in contact with is to be a creative thinker, an inductive reasoner, and a problem solver, and that way you can really help out with your patients' lives. And that is that career profile of being a marriage and family therapist.